Okay, it's close transfer time. We're going to move the fermented beer that's been cold crashing for 4 days from a fermenter into my King Keg, which is primed with CO2, and we're also going to introduce a 3-ounce sugar priming solution for carbonation in the keg. So, first things first, this is my sanitised transferred hose, which connects to the fermenter. I've got a sanitised priming vessel, which I use to add the priming sugar. So I connect the quick connect first. It's turned off at the tap, so nothing's going to come through. And I screw in the plastic milk bottle, which hasn't got a bottom to it, so it acts like a funnel. Just getting my primer solution ready. Okay, so turning the tap on, should see some beer come up the line, as you can see. Getting rid of the air and just bringing it into the bottom of my bottle, like so. And then I can add my priming solution. And that will run back into the fermenter. 3 ounces of sugar in 10 ounces of water. Licks a little bit, but it's not the end of the world. Disconnect it before it gets to the bottom, so that the whole line now is primed. Just as a precaution, I always turn the tap off, and then I connect it to the keg. Gas line out is already connected through this line back to the top of the fermenter. So turning the tap on now, the beer is flowing. That takes about an hour. I'll come back in an hour when that's finished. That's finished. We can turn off, disconnect, disconnect. Transfer complete. So the close transfer is complete. We've got primed beer in here, ready for carbonation, but what I always try and do is just have 4 bottles from this batch for reference purposes or sending to people. So I've just pressurised the keg up to 5 psi from my CO2 cylinder. got my bottling wand set up here, and got 4 sanitised PET bottles which I'm going to fill. So let's see how it goes. So what I do is I fill it up to the brim. Take out the one which will generate a little bit of headspace. Squeeze the bottle till the beer comes up to the rim of the neck, and then I put a cap on it. Last but not least, so there's a keg, 4 bottles in the fermentation fridge. It's at 20 degrees. We'll come back in a week and see what's going on.